So friends, how are you? How's it going? What's up? So today I'm going to show you how to download fonts in just 10 seconds right off the bat. Let's go. First and foremost, go to Google search and then search for DaFonts, DaFont, and then just click on dafont.com. There you go, and just choose one font from here. Just say download. Just click on download, and here you have downloaded the font. So just click on it, show in the folder, right click it, go to open with Windows Explorer, and there is your font. You just have to double click on it and just install, and there you have it. So the font name is Scratch Boys Demo. Just open some of your software like Adobe Photoshop. Just go to File, New, and the name of the font is Scratch Boys Demo. Just type Scratch Boys Demo. Here it is. So there it is. That's your font. Just you've downloaded it. Okay then. Thanks for watching.